Okay, so my name is Tony, last initial is D. So I had question 2 for answers to study questions. And my question was, review figure 1 and identify the focus of the x-axis and the y-axis, and what is the time frame for the x-axis, and what variables are presented on the line graph. And then we just went by the graph that was shown in the book of nursing outcomes measured over 6 months. My answer was in figure 1, the x-axis over the course of 6 months. The x-axis represents 4 different home visits, and it's provided by different study participants. And in the y-axis represents the means of 23 different patients on the nursing outcomes, also measured over the course of 6 months, that are also in the study. And then the variables that were shown on the graph were all different. So it was compliance behavior, treatment regimen, medication, symptom control. And then looking at the graph, compliance behavior, they were all shown different on the graph, so they were all. Compliance behavior is with a square, and knowledge treatment regimen is blue with a circle. Knowledge medication is with a triangle, and then symptom control is with blue with a triangle. So you can see the difference on the graph of where they're located, and the different variables and outcomes from different participants. And that is my answer for question 2.